Hey everyone, it's Heather with Tiller Money here. This is just a quick video to walk you through how to make sure your Tiller Money Feeds powered Google Sheets are always up to date. Let's say that you've spent some money and you're not seeing the transactions in your transaction sheet yet. Visit the console at sheets.tillerhq.com. You can also always access the console by logging in from our main website. Here on the console, under the account summary, you can get an idea of which accounts are able to automatically refresh. Review the last refresh time for your institutions here under the account summary. Any accounts that haven't refreshed in the last 36 hours will present a blue refresh button. This likely indicates that you have multi-factor or two-factor authentication turned on for these institutions. You'll need to manually update these institutions by providing that 2FA or security answer in order for us to pull the data and make it available to feed into your sheet. Once you've refreshed your accounts that require attention, open your sheet and then launch the Tiller Money Feeds add-on here from the Add-ons menu at the top of your Google Sheet. From here, you can click Update Sheets to pull in the latest banking transactions and balances from those accounts that you manually refreshed on the console. The add-on will let you know just how many transactions and balances we were able to pull in. Finally, if you visit the Settings section in the Tiller Money Feeds add-on, you can turn on the Auto Update setting so that the Tiller Money Feeds add-on will add transactions automatically for accounts that we were able to refresh automatically here on the console. Reach out and support using the chat option in the bottom right of the console if you have any questions about your data feeds, connecting accounts, or refreshing data. Happy tracking!